Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view hidden system files on Windows 10. So perhaps you're following a tutorial, or you need to go ahead and access some system files that might be hidden by default. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by just opening up the Start menu, type in folder options. Best match should go back with File Explorer options, so go ahead and just left click on that. Select the View tab. Underneath Hidden Files and Folders, select Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. And now you want to scroll down underneath where it says Hide Protected Operating System Files. You want to uncheck that, select Yes, and then select Apply and OK. If you ever needed to re-hide it, you just open up the Start menu, type in File Explorer, and we're going to go ahead and just open that up here. Type in File Explorer options. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And select the View tab, and then just select Restore Defaults, and then select Apply and OK. And that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward process there. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.